And so my biggest piece of advice to people, and I have an entire framework on this, it's called the Align framework. What it basically focuses on is two things. One is micro steps to networking. You're not going to change who you are overnight. You're not going to change whether you're an introvert or an extrovert or the fact that you get social anxiety. And these are all very present things for a lot of us. So set micro goals. And this is a very coaching style approach. So if you haven't used LinkedIn in 10 years, because let's face it, a lot of people from development and humanitarian work haven't used LinkedIn traditionally. We've used Facebook and Meta and WhatsApp groups and countries and all these other things. I started my career in humanitarian work. I didn't use LinkedIn at all until about 7 years ago. And I've built a really big community on there now. So start small. Start with something like, I'm going to update my LinkedIn tagline and I'm going to update my bio section. And that's going to be my task for this week, So start with, how do you eat an elephant? Bite by bite. So developing an online presence, making sure that you are findable, that people can find you, setting really tangible goals. And the other thing I would say is, when I start saying networking, people are like, okay, I'm going to start registering for all the events. I don't need you to register for all events. I need you to register for a few high impact events. Set your target. Is it one a week? Is it one a month? Everyone's different, what you can handle based on your lifestyle and your needs. And be intentional. If you're going to a panel, have a conversation. Don't just sit in the corner. Put your hand up. Try to, I'm going to talk to one person at the happy hour afterwards, at the apéro. Be intentional and make sure that these touch points are really high value. Don't just go to these events, but then sit in the corner. Or if you're really not up for it, and that's okay, message the panelists after. So I'm really drilling down to specific examples here because I don't want to just stay at the macro level and say, do your strategic networking. Think about what your brand is. Think about what your story is.